Well, our top focus story is coming from the state of Maharashtra. Hectic deliberations are underway in Mahayuti camp over the formation of the new Maharashtra government. Over the last 24 hours, a series of meetings were held in Mahayuti camps over the cabinet formation as well, but there remains immense curiosity over the all-important chief minister's post. So let's now give you a short recap of what has happened in the last few hours. Times Now has learned that BJP is likely to stake claim for the post of the chief minister, and Devendra Fadnavis is the front runner for this specific post. The three senior leaders of Mahayuti, that is Fadnavis, Shinde as well as Ajit Pawar, are expected to head to the national capital today. Now, in the meantime, Ajit Pawar has also been elected as the legislative party leader for NCP, and Eknath Shinde has been elected as the legislative party leader for the Shiv Sena party. But the question is he going to be the next chief minister? Here's have a look at this.
सभी विधायकों ने एक मत से विधायक दल का नेता मुझे चुना, इसलिए मैं उनको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं। तो विश्वास उन्होंने जताया, इसके लिए उनको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
सर, कल मुख्यमंत्री पद पर फैसला हो जाएगा?
Well, you just heard the reaction coming from Eknath Shinde, but the question is he going to be the next chief minister? Here's why Eknath Shinde is very much in the race for the chief minister post, and why the Mahayuti may want to prefer to go ahead with retaining him as the chief minister. So here is all the info that you can see on the screen. The question is, will he continue as the chief minister? Now, he's a Maratha leader. He vies for the chief minister post. There's also coalition Dharma that puts Shinde in the race for the chief minister post. There's also caste dynamic that could help him, and also the strong Maratha. He's a strong Maratha leader in the state, and very importantly, Ladki Bahin Yojana by the Shiv Sena has proved to be the game changer as far as this election is concerned, and also the Asli Sena credential in the polls has really helped the entire Mahayuti in winning the election. Political heir of Bala Sahib's legacy is one of the star that comes with Eknath Shinde, and he has a legacy that has created goodwill in Mahayuti coalition. Shiv Sena cadre has also pushed for Eknath Shinde as the chief minister. So all of these points make him a strong candidate to be a chief minister. Have a look.
शायद लग रहा है हमें भी ऐसा होना चाहिए, जो उन्होंने काम किया है, मेहनत की है, उसका तो फल दिख रहा है। अभी देखते हैं आगे आगे क्या होता है, लेकिन हम लोग को लग रहा है कि मुख्यमंत्री चंद्रशेखर होएगा तो अच्छा है। हर पक्ष का हर आदमी को ऐसा लग रहा है आप अपने पार्टी का हो, ऐसा हमको भी लग रहा है।
Well, on the other hand, you have a Devendra Fadnavis who has held the position of chief minister in the past and was the deputy chief minister in the previous Mahayuti government. Now, here's why Fadnavis could be also the next chief minister as far as this entire parlays are concerned. He has been the chief minister, and he has been, in fact, the deputy chief minister in the previous government. Have a look.
132 above 132 भारतीय जनता पार्टी जीता, इसमें कोई क्वेश्चन का कोई सवाल का बात ही नहीं है। सम्मानीय देवेंद्र फडणवीस साहब मुख्यमंत्री मेरे ख्याल से होना चाहिए, कोई। थैंक यू।
Also, others in the Mahayuti believe that Ajit Pawar is very much in the race for the chief minister's post. A senior party of Ajit Pawar faction of the NCP claims that since the NCP had a great strike rate, he could not be ruled out from the race either. Have a look.
एकनाथ शिंदे हो या सब कह रहे हैं कि उनके पार्टी के लोग कि मुख्यमंत्री दोबारा एकनाथ शिंदे होने चाहिए, उनके नेतृत्व में चुनाव लड़ा गया है। क्या ये पोजीशन बनी हुई अभी भी?
मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है क्या। अब ऐसा जर होगा तो अजीत दादा भी तो हो सकते, उनका भी तो स्ट्राइक रेट बड़ा अच्छा रहा है भाई। क्या अब जो है ये तीनों बैठकर जो है जो भी चर्चा होगी वो सबको जो है मान्य है। फिर क्या?
And the Mahayuti leaders are also preparing to announce the new cabinet soon. Sources have told Times Now that Mahayuti is considering a formula where every party will get one ministerial berth for every 6 to 7 winning candidate. Now, this would mean that the Bharatiya Janata Party may get 22 to 24 ministerial posts as they have won 132 seats, followed by Shiv Sena. They could get 10 to 12 ministerial berths, while Ajit Pawar's NCP could get 8 to 10 ministers as well. But how will in fact the smaller allies be accommodated? Something that remains to be seen. The RPI President Ramdas Athawale has had an appeal for the leaders of the Mahayuti. Take a look.
देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी की जो बात हुई थी उसमें रिपब्लिकन पार्टी को एक मंत्री पद देने का वादा पहले से हुआ था जब एकनाथ शिंदे जी की सरकार आई थी, लेकिन विस्तार में आरपीआई को लिया जाएगा ये आश्वासन दिया था, लेकिन विस्तार ही हुआ नहीं और इसीलिए तब हमको 2.5 साल में मंत्री पद नहीं मिला था। इस वक्त दलितों का हो, बुद्धिस्ट कम्युनिटी का हो, बहुत बड़ी संख्या में महायुति को मिला है। मुझे लगता है कि रिपब्लिकन पार्टी को एक मंत्री पद मिलना चाहिए। एक एमएलसी और एक मंत्री पद देने का वादा माननीय देवेंद्र फडणवीस ने किया था, उसके मुताबिक रिपब्लिकन पार्टी को एक मंत्री पद मिलना आवश्यक है और हमारी आग्रही डिमांड है।